You could absolutely call her the biggest female act in Nigeria in the year 2015. She held it down brilliantly since dropping her debut album King of Queens in the year 2014. Her career has been on a steady rise as she announces intentions to drop a second studio debut album titled Mama Africa this month in the year 2016. No one else is due for an album in the Nigerian music scene as much as Patoranking with a plethora of hit singles. From Albarika to Gelio, Daniela Wine, My Woman, and not excluding international collabos and awards as well. Patoranking is definitely clearly overdue for an album. This is no doubt the one of the most anticipated album of the year, having failed to drop in the year 2015. All eyes are on HKN lead act Davido to release the baddest album. He clearly boasted of reaching roll call of international collabos, which includes Trey Songz, McMill, Akon and others. Sure guys, you can't wait to get this album, which will be dropping pretty soon, sometimes this month.